What's up guys, welcome to a new video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mount an ISO file. So without wasting any time, let's begin. To mount the ISO file you need a software known as Diamondz Toolite. You can even download it by following me, or I am giving the link in the description. Simply download it and it will just take a couple of seconds. Just wait for it. Here it is. So I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download again. So here it is. I have downloaded Diamondz Toolite in my computer. Now we are going to mount the ISO file. All you have to do is to go where have you installed your file or where it is located. All you have to do is to right click on the file and click open with. Then you have to search Diamondz Toolite and just press it. Here you go, the file has successfully mounted and a DVD is automatically pop up for installation, and I'm opening it and it is basically a game. So just press OK and it's a basic way to install the game. So that was from today's video. It is very simple. You just need a software and then you just have to open it, the ISO file, using the software. So thanks for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, then press the like button. If you have any suggestion regarding how to videos or any tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And with that being said, I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.